Hello everyone, it's finally exam time again, and the content for today's exam will be vocabularies from random lessons. The first question: which one is the answer of 澳大利亚? You can try to recall first. A is 电子产品 B is 医疗产品 C is 澳大利亚 D is 马来西亚澳大利亚 is C. The next question: which one is the answer of 冰淇淋? You can try to guess first. A is 冰淇淋 B is 三明治 C is 三文鱼 D is 沙丁鱼 and 冰淇淋 is A. The next one: which one is the answer of 颜色? I will give you time to think first. A is 白色 B is 颜色 C is 棕色 D is 绿色 and 颜色 is B. Another question here: which one is the answer of 椰子? I will explain it later. A is 樱桃 B is 西瓜 C is 柠檬 D is 椰子 椰子 is D. So let's move on to the next question. Which one is the answer of 晴? Which one do you think is the right answer? A is 鼠 B is 石 C is 猪 D is 晴 The right answer for this question is D. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the answer of 六? Which one do you think is the correct answer? A is 北 B is 六 C is 十 D is 亮 The correct answer for this question is B. Moving on to another question here. Which one is the answer of 湿润? Which one do you think is the right one, guys? A is 干燥 B is 温暖 C is 湿润 D is 冻结 C is the right answer for this question. Finally, the last question for today. Which one is the answer of 八月? Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? A is 八月 B is 二月 C is 1月, D is 4月. And A is the correct answer for this question. And by the way, thanks a lot for watching my video. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the exam time as much as I do. I will see you guys on our next lesson. Bye!